from RONGWIN. Today, now we are in our finished working shop to help one of our Australian customers to test his this press brake tooling, forming press brake tooling in our workshop. That's why lots of customers say what's RONGWIN can supply which kind of press brake tooling service. We can supply you one type of one-stop solution for the press brake tooling, such as this customer. First time he give us his metal parts drawing. He tell us he wanted to bend in this parts for his machines, for his this machine. Then and also give me all the size, such as thickness and metal sheet details. So we design the press brake tooling like this for him. Now we will tell our customers, if you want we design the press brake tooling for him. First, we want you give us your metal parts drawing like this, and tell us your ideal metal sheet material, so that we can make the design for you. There is also very important. We should also contact with each other. We want to know the your press brake details, so that we can know how to design this tools clap side. Please just look at this is one of our test machines. Now we just test the tools. If we don't have the right clap to hold the punch, we will use to hold the punch like this. You can send us your press brake photos, clap photos, or we have various kinds of clap holes in our catalog. You also can choose with our catalog to confirm this size. This is very important for us to give you a one-stop solution. Okay, please look at the last bending result for this custom. This is the last bending result for this. If you guys have any requirement for press brake solution design, you can just send us your metal parts drawing. We will design the tools for you, and before delivery, we will promise to test the tools for you to guarantee the tools quality. After you get the tools, it can have many results. It's the result is the drawing. So this is the perfect bending result. So our RONGWIN can promise every forming tools we will test for you and give you a perfect bending details. Okay, if you guys have the list of press brake tooling, you can ask our sales team to send you our catalog. You can choose from our catalog or send us your metal parts drawing and your press brake details, so that we will we will give you a press brake solution design to meet your needs. Okay, so if you guys have press brake tooling tools requirement, please contact with us. Thank you.